Hi folks, Jack Bennett here. Today we're checking out the Donner DED 200 drum kit. I was recently sent this kit by Donner to do a video review. I'll be honest, I've never seen or played this kit before, so I'm interested to dive into the box and see how it stacks up against other electronic kits on the market in the beginner price range. Let's take a look. Let's start with what comes in the box. The Donner DED 200 is a 7-piece electronic drum kit with mesh drum heads, which give it a more authentic feel compared to rubber pads. We've got a snare, 3 toms, a kick drum, a hi-hat and 2 cymbals, one for crash and one for ride. All 4 drums are 8-inch and all the cymbals, including the hi-hats, are 10 inches. What makes this kit stand out in its price range is that the pads are mesh, not rubber. Mesh heads give a more responsive and quieter playing experience, perfect for practice at home without bothering the neighbours. Now let's talk about the brain of the kit, the drum module. The DED 200 comes with 225 sounds and 30 preset drum kits. It includes everything from rock and jazz to electronic and hip-hop sounds. You can also customise your own kits, which is a fantastic feature for those looking to experiment. The module also has several connectivity options. It comes with USB and MIDI output, so you can easily connect it to your computer for recording or use it with software like GarageBand or Logic Pro. There's also an aux input, so you can play along to your favourite songs directly from your phone. Another great feature is the built-in metronome and coach functions. These are excellent for beginners who want to improve their timing or need a structured practice routine. And if you need to record your practice sessions, there's a built-in recording function as well. Now let's dive into the playability and feel of the Donner DED 200, starting with the mesh drum pads. One of the best features of this kit is that all the drum pads are mesh, not rubber. This gives the pads a much more realistic and natural feel. Whether you're playing soft ghost notes or harder rim shots, the mesh heads respond incredibly well. The snare in particular feels great for dynamic playing and is dual zone, allowing you to trigger both rim and head sounds individually, adding versatility to your performance. The toms also use mesh pads and offer that same responsiveness, though they are single zone, meaning you won't get separate rim sounds here. However, the playability remains consistent across the kit. Next, let's talk about the cymbal pads. You get a crash and ride cymbal, both of which are also dual zone and have choke functionality. The dual zone allows for playing different sounds depending on where you hit, either on the edge or the bow of the cymbal. The crash cymbal in particular has a solid response and feels natural when you choke it after a hit, which adds to the realism. The hi-hat is an area that can make or break an electronic kit. On the Donner DED 200, the hi-hat pad paired with the control pedal offers a surprisingly good range of expression. The pedal itself feels sturdy, and you can go from fully open to fully closed position with smooth transitions in between. The responsiveness when playing foot splashes or rapid open-closed beats is impressive for a kit at this price point. Now on to the kick drum tower. The kick pad is more than just functional. It's built like a solid kick tower, offering stability even during more aggressive playing. It's responsive to light taps and harder strikes alike. Plus, it's double pedal compatible, which is perfect for drummers who want to practice faster footwork with 2 beaters. One thing that surprised me is the build quality of the drum rack. The kit is mounted on a sturdy, adjustable rack that feels really durable. It's easy to assemble and everything fits well. Adjusting the height and position of the drums is simple, making it comfortable for drummers of different sizes. Alright, let's hear how this thing sounds in action. I'll start with some basic rock beats and then switch to some other styles. So let's sum up the pros and cons of the Donner DED 200. The pros are the mesh heads are a huge plus. They're responsive, they feel close to acoustic drums, and they're quieter than rubber pads. The sound module offers a lot of variety with 225 sounds and 30 drum kits. It's compact and perfect for small spaces, plus it's easy to set up and adjust. It's got good connectivity options for recording and playing along with tracks. The cons are the pedals, while functional, may not be up to par for more experienced drummers. You might want to upgrade the kick pedal, especially if you're into double bass drumming. Some of the preset drum kits could be a little better, but that's expected at this price point. So is the Donner DED 200 worth it? Absolutely. For the price, you're getting a feature-packed, reliable electronic drum kit that's perfect for beginners and low-intermediate players. The mesh heads alone make it a standout in this price range. Whether you're looking for a practice kit or a way to record drums at home, the DED 200 delivers.